Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to view others' Instagram's profile picture. Search your target. Open profile and copy username. Open the link in description. Paste the username and hit enter. And here you have the full-size profile picture of their Instagram. Let's see some of the others' Instagram's profile picture too. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and comment down, what video should I make next?